Hi friends, and welcome back to my cravings. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make coconut French toast with a delicious chunky pineapple sauce. To start, we're going to be adding crushed pineapple to a sauce pot. I did not drain this can, so we are using the juice and the pulp. Next, we are going to be adding 1 cup of packed dark brown sugar. Dark brown sugar goes so well with pineapple, and it has that delicious molasses taste. Alright, essentially what we're doing here is we're just cooking this down to allow all those juices to kind of come through. This sauce is not going to thicken much more. It is going to resemble a chutney once it is complete. Added about 1 tablespoon of butter. The salt and the butter will bring the flavors together, and the butter itself will add richness. Alright guys, go ahead and turn this off and set to the side. You do want to serve it warm. Now to our custard, we are going to be using leche de coco, which is coconut milk. I like to use full fat canned coconut milk. Now we're going to be adding a little bit of cinnamon for a taste, and I also feel that cinnamon adds a little touch of sweetness. A pinch of salt, and I am going to be using Madame Lulu flavoring paste. This one is vanilla bean. So for every teaspoon of vanilla extract, you can actually use a teaspoon of Madame Lulu. Alright, it is nice and thick, so we are going to want to start mixing this up to incorporate everything. Alright, next we are going to be adding our egg. Break them up and mix them. Now if you are vegan, you can omit the egg. Alright, beautiful custard. Now we are going to be adding some granulated white sugar, and this is just going to aid in the caramelization process once we start cooking the French toast. Alright, to a hot skillet, we're going to be adding some butter. Today I am going to be using French bread because our sauce is going to be so sweet. I did not want to use my typical brioche or challah. And as you can see, I showed you with my pinky and my ring finger that these are about 1 inch thick. If you like your French toast to be custardy, just allow them to soak a little bit longer. I do a quick side and side and right into my pan. Cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. And just a little tip, don't forget to cook your sides so that you don't have uncooked egg mixture on the sides. Alright guys, and they are all done, ready for plating. Your chunky sauce, your delicious coconut toast, your cherries. Time to assemble. I was actually inspired by piña colada flavors to make these. Don't forget your coconut flakes. This adds such a special touch. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video.